Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Roblox gift card. I wonder why you want to know how to use Roblox gift card. Maybe because you have purchased a Roblox gift card and you don't know how to use it, like you don't know how to redeem its code and how to avail its Robux and how to spend it, or there could be any other reason for you to know how to use Roblox gift card. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can use a Roblox gift card. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed our Roblox app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account. So the first thing that we have to do is to open the Roblox app, but unfortunately in the app version we don't have any option through which you can purchase a Roblox gift card and you cannot use it. First you have to go to the web browser and then you can use the Roblox gift card. Therefore you can open any browser of your choice. Here I'm going with the Google Chrome, but you can go with any other browser. Once the browser gets open, on the search bar you have to tap and specifically search for roblox.com/gift cards. Make sure you go with the same link, otherwise you will end up on a wrong website. Once you go with that, you will land onto this page. If you have not purchased the card before, then you can purchase with the option, otherwise you can click on redeem card and then you will get here. Here it says redeem Roblox gift card. So if you have a physical card, you have to look at the back side of it. Scratch the paper and under it you will find a code that you have to type it here. But if you have a virtual card like me, then you have to copy the code and paste it here. Once you have pasted the code, just simply click onto this option redeem. Now it will just take a while to redeem your code, and after that the Robux have been sent to your account. Now you just have to simply open the app of Roblox. Once it gets open, you will be easily able to see how many Robux you have received. At the top you can see how much you have received, and you can also use these points. So to spend these points there are several ways. So I'll show you how you can purchase different character items and related stuff to it. So you have to click onto this option, otherwise you can go to this marketplace. Once you get there, there are multiple options that you can choose and these things will be added to your character. Whatever option you like, you first have to tap onto that, and after that you have to click onto this option and buy item. It will just take a while, and after that this option will be purchased. So that's how you can use a Roblox gift card, like how you can purchase it, how you can redeem it, and how you can spend the money that you have got from it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can use Roblox gift card. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.